A very good morning to you, dear students. And today I just would like to explain some of the properties about the behavior of matter. So, as you know, matter is classified into solids, liquids, and gases. And these three states of matter have different behaviors to conditions like pressure, temperature, then volume. All these things causes variations in their physical behavior when they are exposed to such conditions. Okay. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நான் உங்களுக்கு என்ன எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு ஆசைப்பட்டேன்னா உங்கள் புக்கில் ஐசிடி கார்னர்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது பேஜ் நம்பர் 103ல் ஐசிடி கார்னர்ன்ட்டு தேர் இஸ் அன் ஆக்டிவிட்டி. Okay. So you take page number 103, go to that activity, and you will find a URL like this. Okay. So this is page number 103. கீழே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூஆர்எல்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது பாருங்க, HTTPS அப்படின்றது. திஸ் யூஆர்எல் யூ கேன் டைப் இட் இன் யோர் வெப் ப்ரௌசர். வெப் ப்ரௌசர்னா இங்கே somewhere in your Google Chrome or in your Yahoo browser, wherever it is, you can type this URL and it will take you to a page where there is a animation given there which would explain things better. Okay. Otherwise, the second option is you can scan this code which is found here. இங்கே பாருங்க, ஸ்க்ரீனில் ஒரு கோட் தெரியுதா? இது உங்கள் புக்கில் இருக்குது. இது உங்கள் மொபைல் ஸ்கேனர் இருக்குது பாருங்க, ஸ்கேனிங் டிவைஸ் QR கோட் ஸ்கேனரில் ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will go to that page. So now let me take you to that page there. So this is how that page looks. Understand? States of matter basics in கொடுத்துக்குது. Okay. So using this, I would like to explain certain things like, so click over this. You have a stimulation being designed and atoms and molecules are given. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குது பாருங்க, நியான், ஆர்கான், ஆக்சிஜன், வாட்டர். ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தோம்னா ஆட்டம்ஸ் இது ரெண்டும் ஆட்டம்ஸ். நியான் அண்ட் ஆர்கான் ஆர் ஆட்டம்ஸ், ஆக்சிஜன் அண்ட் வாட்டர் ஆர் மாலிகுல்ஸ். Okay, and we have already learned what atoms and molecules are. Atoms are same type of atoms are same type of atoms present in an element. The smallest indivisible particle of an element is called an atom. When two or more atoms combine together, we call it a molecule, and that may be of the same type of atoms like oxygen, for example. Here we have two oxygen atoms combining together. Water, you find the difference. There is white, two whites are there, and the two whites are hydrogen atoms, and the orange color one is a oxygen atom. So these things we have already learned. So what is the stimulation about? Let us click with neon. Understand? You say the molecules are arranged closer. In the gas it is closer where the temperature is. So for a better understanding, you put it with the degrees centigrades. So this is minus 259 degrees centigrade, where the particles are very close together. Understand? If it is Kelvin, it is 14 degree K. You can still bring down the temperature. Okay, so when you bring down the temperature, what happens? So this is what is this model about. Okay, now let me raise the temperature. There is a small button like, so hold your mouse over it and drag it up. You find the heat, and when you increase the heat, you are also able to find the change in numbers. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்பர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குது பாருங்க, 36K வந்துருச்சு. So you can notice that there is an increase. As the temperature increases, you look at the particles that are present inside the cylinder. They have started to move away from each other. கிராஜுவலாக நிறையா தூரமாக போகிறத நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். இன்னொன்று நல்லா கவனிங்க, the acceleration of the particles have gained kinetic energy. But they have started moving very fast. So as the temperature increases, the particles starts moving faster and faster. Okay, this explains the behavior of gases and when the temperature is raised. Okay, if this for the same, let us go for argon. Okay, argon, the same behavior you will find it there. Understand? For a decreased temperature, it starts moving. So Now, let me bring down the temperature, cool it. You are able to see the thermometer reading coming down. So it is 152, okay, 121. So, are you able to observe that the particles of the gas are coming closer and closer, and you find 7, 8, 4, 3, 2. So, you look at 2K, look at the particles, they have almost settled down, and that is only minor vibrations are there. Okay, you bring the temperature still further, understand? Look at the thermometer, 0K. What happens at 0K? You look at the particles, there is no movements found in the particles of the gas. And this particular temperature is called the absolute temperature, where the particles of any substance becomes frozen. They do not move. Okay, then that is called the absolute zero. Understand? So this is the behavior of gases, atoms of gases when they are exposed to conditions like heat, hot conditions and cold conditions. The next one, you just can look at one stimulation that has been designed for a molecule. The molecule also behaves the same way. For an increase in temperature, the molecule starts moving away from each other. And if it is water molecules, what happens? You know that liquid changes to gas. Understand? The water starts boiling up to a certain temperature, and after that, it transforms into a gas. And when the water molecules are cooled down, it freezes to ice. So you are bringing down the temperature now. I hope you are able to watch the temperature falling down gradually in the thermometer, the red part of it coming down, and the numbers are in the descending order now. So 2K, 1K, and when it is 0, all the molecules will be frozen and it is at a stand. So it is not that at 0K it gets converted into ice. That is not the freezing that we are talking about. The molecules do not vibrate, they do not move, okay, at 0K, because 0K is equal to minus 273 centigrade scale of temperature. Okay, and what is 0C is 273K. At 273K, water becomes ice. Okay, so that's fine. So let's go to the molecular arrangements. You look at this in a solid, so they are closely packed, and what you call the atoms are vibrating inside the solid. Understand? For a denser solid, the vibrations are lesser. In a liquid, so the particles are slightly away from each other and they keep vibrating more when compared to that of a solid. In a gas, they are far away from each other and they are in constant motion. So this is the one part of it. The next part of it, we have phase changes. Understand? So you click over that. Here you look at a model. There is a chamber. Okay, the chamber have provisions to measure the temperature. Okay, the measure you can measure. நம்ம வந்து டெம்பரேச்சர் வந்து இந்த சேம்பருக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குதுன்றதை மெஷர் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ஒரு தெர்மோமீட்டர் வச்சுருக்காங்க. Okay, the lid is closed. Now we have a piston. This is like a bicycle pump. When you pump it, what happens? Air gets into. When air gets into it, what happens? The number of particles increases in number. Yeah, air is a mixture of many gases together, and the atoms of those gases will keep filling up the ஓகே கண்டெய்னர் as well. இப்போ இதுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற ப்ரெஷர் வந்து எப்படி ஆகும், ஏர் வர வர ப்ரெஷர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும் இல்லையா. ஒரு பலூன் எடுத்து நம்ம காற்றை ஊதுறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம்னா பலூனில் என்ன ஆகும், பலூனுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற காற்று ப்ரெஷரை அதிகமாக்கி பலூன் பெருசாகிறத நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். த சேம் திங் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் வித் த சிலிண்டர். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், த ப்ரெஷர் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் increasing up gradually when you pump air. That is one condition. The next condition is we have a heat. When you heat it, what happens? The particles starts expanding and therefore there is increase in pressure inside. At the same time, the temperature also increases. The heat increase panna temperature increase ஆகுது, pressure increase ஆகுது. Okay. இப்போ ரெண்டு கண்டிஷன்ஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஒன்று இன்க்ரீசிங் ஹீட் அண்ட் இன்க்ரீசிங் த ப்ரெஷர். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கண்டிஷன் இஸ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு இன்க்ரீஸ் த ஹீட். இப்போ பாருங்க, ஐ எம் ரைசிங் த நாப், ஐ எம் ரைசிங் த டெம்பரேச்சர். இப்போ பாரு 31K, 39, 42, like this it increases. Look at the pressure gauge which is there. So the pressure inside is measured as 28 atmospheres, 44 atmospheres. Like that, it gradually increases. So, what does this animation tell us? Okay, how are we just getting an information? அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம்னா, heat increase பண்ணோம்னா, the pressure also increases. By increasing the temperature, I can increase the pressure of a gas inside the container. ஒரு கண்டெய்னருக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற கேஸோட டெம்பரேச்சரை நான் ரைஸ் பண்ணேன்னா அதோட ப்ரெஷரும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிடும். தட் இஸ் ஒன் டைப் ஆஃப் கண்டிஷன் வி ஹேவ். யூ ஜஸ்ட் லிவ் இட், பிரிங் பேக் த டெம்பரேச்சர். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், யூ பிரிங் இட் டவுன் பை கூலிங் இட். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், யூ கூல் த கேஸ், பிரிங் இட். நவ் யூ கோ டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் செட்டப் விச் இஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட் தேர். You cool the gas, bring down the temperature, the pressure is falling down gradually. So it is always good that you are able to watch these types of videos which are given in the book. By the end of every lesson, we have an activity, and you better practice those activities. That gives you more knowledge about the lesson. Understand? So it is always good that we have surplus knowledge about the topics, not only concepts that are given in the book. Okay, it's good that you learn the concept that are given in the book, but more of it is always fine. Now let it be at 38K. So the temperature is at 38K and the pressure is somewhat around 9 point whatever it is. Now this piston, I am going to pump air into it. So look at it, I am pumping air. As I pump air, you see particles getting through this hole. In the hole where ulla particles varada paakren. But what will happen? The pressure increases inside the chamber. You are able to see that monitor pressure gauge which is there. You find the pressure increasing. If a pressure increasing is normal because more number of particles are getting inside and therefore the pressure increases. But why does the temperature increase? Look at the thermometer. The values in the thermometer are gradually raising up. Are you able to see that? From 54 it has become 55 now, and the pressure is also gradually increasing. Okay, so this stimulation gives us an explanation. So after watching this stimulation, you should be able to understand a concept, a relationship between temperature and pressure. Okay. So from the activity that we have seen now, rise of temperature increases the pressure of a gas inside a cylinder. Raising the temperature increases the pressure of a gas inside the cylinder. That is one concept. The next one is raising the pressure of a gas inside the cylinder. By allowing more gas particles inside, what can I do? I can raise the temperature. So both are directly proportional to each other. When the temperature rises, the pressure rises. Okay. When the pressure rises, the temperature rises. So, okay. So, thank you, my dear children, for having watched this video. So I kindly request you to just go through the book, understand, and let it be a type of revision to you also. Okay, thank you.